When we open the box, we will see these accessories. With these accessories, we can try to attach this ZTE 5G outdoor CPE to the window. Insert the nano SIM card into the CPE with the chip facing down and the notch facing inward. Then insert one end of the flat network cable with a cover into the CPE. Push the cover forward to cover. Then use the screw anti-theft removal wrench to fix the screws on the cover. Plug the other end of the network cable into the 1 and power port on the power transformer. After powering on the power transformer, the indicator light on the ZTE 5G outdoor CPE will turn green. By scanning the QR code, we can use the ZTE Installer Helper app to find the location with the best signal quality. First, open the app and select the ZTE 5G outdoor CPE to connect. Then enter the password and click the OK button to connect successfully. Move the CPE's location to see where the signal is better. When the app says good or great, this shows that the location signal is great. And we can install the CPE here. In the first step, use 4M3 crosshead screw to secure the bracket to the device. In the second step, the safety rope is threaded through the bracket and rope loop, and then knotted. The safety rope is passed through a higher position than the CPE equipment itself. Loosen and unfold the loop so that the bracket passes through the loop. Tighten the rope tightly and tie it to the handle of the window. In the third step, wipe the windows where the CPE equipment will be installed with a cleaning cloth. Then peel off the protective film of the adhesive sticker on the back of the window frame. Then place the window frame bracket in a vertical position and at least 5 cm away from the edge of the window, and press the window frame for another 30 to 60 seconds. Press the tape again to remove the air bubbles inside. First, insert your device into the window bracket, and when it locks its position, you will hear a click. Connect the network cable under the mobile device and pull it indoors. Mark where you will be installing the cable retainer. Fix the adapter side of the flat cable to the wall using the M6 expansion bolts. Connect all the network cables. Put it in the right interface location. Finally, plug it into a power outlet and the ZTE 5G outdoor CPE is ready to operate. In this way, the ZTE 5G outdoor CPE is installed and ready to use.